Hi friends. My last video you all saw the planner which I had created for my daughter. So today I'll be showing the planner which I've created for my son. He's 7 years old. So he wanted a tiger as a starting page, or as one welcome thing. So I had a tiger for him. He has a prayer as well, similar to my daughter. And then this book belongs to. And then just like an introduction, fun introduction page about himself, and also his favorites. As I said, he also can see how his favorites are changing over the years. And after that, it is the reflection of the past year. Since he's already filled in, I've covered those parts. So I wanted him to reflect on what is something I did last year that made me proud. What are the 3 most important things I learned last year? What was the most challenging part of last year? What was my most memorable day last year and why? So, he had to describe all of that. Then this was a little tough for him to write a letter to himself. He's just 7, and writing a letter is like they learn after a very after 2 years. But he made an attempt, so which was good. He wrote a letter for himself. And then similar to my daughter, he has his year in pixels. Some of these blocks that you see over here, he's like sat down in one day and colored all of them instead of doing it daily. So once in a while when he gets time, or when he remembers, he picks it up and he does that. Then the calendar for the year. After that, let me go to, he's already filled in some parts of January, so I'll go to next one, last December. So they have one activity before the starting of the month, then a thought, which is again a coloring activity. Then they have the entire year, so they start writing the dates, and they can customize this every year, so I don't have to keep redoing these pages every year. Then if they have any specific things around birthdays or any specific days that they want, they write down and they give it to me. And this is like a habit tracker, monthly, weekly and daily. They've not yet started. It's been 3 months. None of them have started any habit trackers, but at least it's there for them. Now with summer holidays, I'm expecting they'll start using this more in April and May. Then any birthdays or events this month, any quote that they want to learn, memorize, an emoji that they can draw, like overall how do they feel about the month. Again, similar to the yearly reflection, the same thing they have for monthly reflection. What is the one mistake I made this month and what did I learn? What new did I achieve this month? So, making them think that, okay, this month I didn't learn anything new, or if they really learned, appreciating themselves for it. What was the most memorable day and why? What I look forward to achieving next month. So, this could be something that goes into achievement next month. Then they have a drawing, and now they have a lot of their phone friends phone numbers, so they have their own phone tracker. And then since it's online classes, any usernames, passwords, they can keep track of that. Then something that I want them to start looking at learning. So this year I made it India map. Next, if they learn this summer, next year I might think of something else. And again ending it with a quote that they can draw. So that was the planner that I had made. They are enjoying it. Any free time they get, instead of as part of some of the activity books, they start using this as well. As I said earlier, like for my daughter, even if they're not using every page, filling up everything, even if it's a good start. As they grow, they see that they're filling in more, and probably some of the questions I might change based on the age that they get into and their understanding level. So that was it. Hope this helps you all to make a DIY planner for your kids. Thank you.